The truth about life in Venice. Imagine soaring above the sparkling canals of Venice, gazing at the maze of waterways and historic buildings below. Ever wondered what it's really like to live in Venice? Venice's story is as enchanting as its scenery. Founded over 1,000 years ago, this floating city arose from marshlands, becoming a symbol of resilience and architectural ingenuity. Navigating Venice feels like stepping into another world. The city is a network of canals and islands, seamlessly connected by iconic bridges, creating a labyrinthine urban masterpiece. In Venice, boats and gondolas replace cars. Residents glide through narrow canals, making their daily commutes an experience unlike any other, blending practicality with timeless romance. Yet, even these picturesque journeys have challenges. High tides often disrupt transportation, turning serene canals into difficult waterways, complicating the simple act of moving around the city. The high cost of living in Venice is a significant challenge for residents. Maintaining centuries-old homes requires constant upkeep, adding to the financial burden of owning property in this historic city. Tourism deeply impacts daily life for locals, often making it difficult to navigate crowded streets and canals. The influx of visitors can strain resources, yet it remains vital to the economy. Frequent flooding disrupts daily activities, damaging homes and businesses. Acqua alta, or high water, is a persistent issue that Ventians must adapt to, affecting their routines and infrastructure. The local economy heavily relies on tourism, with many businesses catering to visitors. While tourism drives revenue, it also creates a delicate balance between preserving the city's heritage and meeting modern demands. Venetian cuisine is a delightful blend of seafood and traditional recipes. Dishes like risotto al nero di seppia and sarde in Sao offer a taste of the city's rich culinary history. Venice's cultural heritage is a treasure trove of art and architecture, with landmarks like St. Mark's Basilica reflecting centuries of history, blending Byzantine, Gothic, and Renaissance influences in intricate, breathtaking designs. Venetian festivals, especially Carnival, bring the city alive with vibrant masks and costumes. This ancient tradition fills the streets with music, parades, and a sense of timeless celebration. Venice faces significant environmental challenges, including rising sea levels and erosion. These issues threaten the city's foundations, necessitating urgent, innovative solutions to preserve its unique heritage for future generations. Schools in Venice adapt to their watery surroundings, with students often commuting by boat. The curriculum includes a strong emphasis on local history and environmental awareness, fostering a deep connection to the city. Healthcare services in Venice operate uniquely, with water ambulances navigating the canals to reach patients. Hospitals and clinics are equipped to handle the challenges posed by the city's aquatic environment. The Venetian dialect is a melodic blend of Italian, Latin, and influences from the city's trading history. It's a crucial part of Venice's cultural identity, passed down through generations. An interesting fact about Venice is its staggering number of bridges. With over 400 bridges crisscrossing the canals, each one has its own story and unique architectural charm. Living in Venice offers unparalleled beauty and history. Residents enjoy a slower pace of life, surrounded by stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage, making every day feel like a picturesque adventure. However, daily life in Venice comes with challenges. High tides, flooding, and the constant presence of tourists can disrupt routines, and maintaining a home on water requires significant effort and expense. Witnessing a sunset over the Venetian lagoon is breathtaking. Visit responsibly and support preservation efforts to ensure this magical city remains vibrant for future generations to experience and cherish.